I am back at the house where I was doing the punch list, where I did the garage in the last video. They called me back afterwards and said, hey, we'd like to add on one more thing. There's a spot in this bedroom where we used to have a leak. So I look at it, and what it is when water gets behind drywall tape, it causes the mud to soften and the tape to release, and it leaves a really ugly, bubbly looking tape area. So in this video, I pull the tape off, I prep the surface, mud, retape, and sand as quickly and painlessly as possible. We're going to start by pulling all the old stuff off and prepping the surface. Alright, I just ran my knife along here. just to take down the high spots. And the thing that happens when you put something wet on a ceiling with possibly loose paint, like I thought I scraped all the paint that was loose. Well, when the wet stuff, like the hot mud or drywall spackle or whatever you want to call it, soaks into the paint, it actually causes some stuff that wasn't exactly loose to moisten up and let loose, like right there. And right here and here it kind of bubbled up. So I just dug those out with the corner of my knife, tried to scrape all the loose bits, and when I go over it this time with some more mud, it should not bubble up again. I just hit it with some spray Kilz Really hard for this to even focus. I know there's not enough light in here, but let's get this thing over here. Still doesn't like to focus, does it? Yeah, it's pretty smooth. Pretty smooth.